Greetings folks, here we have the Volantex Trainstar Ascent. It's a 1400mm wingspan plastic body high wing trainer style aircraft, and I'm kind of excited to have a look at this one. Let's open him up and have a look. Box has got a bit of a ding, but no damage inside as far as I can see. Everything's pretty well protected in bubble wrap and stuck down. Horizontal stabiliser first. Ooh, very nice. Nice and smooth, very smooth foam. The typical Volantex tail fixing. And we have spars in the elevator and horizontal stabiliser. And plastic hinges as well as foam hinges. Vertical stabiliser. Again, we have plastic hinges and foam hinges. Control horn already installed. And looks like a spot for a steerable tail wheel. There's the bracket for fixing it to the fuselage. Looking good. And the wings. Lots of wing area. That's a pretty decent cord. What is that? So that's a 9-inch or 22cm wing cord. Airfoil cord. Spar carbon fibre reinforcing in the aileron, and plastic as well as foam hinges. Servo already installed, and we've got the lovely click-in wing assembly. Centre of gravity mark there as well. Here's the plastic fuselage. It is tough and solid, reasonably heavy I have to say. Looks like battery goes in underneath here. Yeah, battery compartment underneath. XT60 power. Big motor up the front. We'll find out what that is in a minute. And tail servos already installed down the back there. That's all good. It's solid, I have to say. Nice big wheels. Rubber wheels and hardware to attach them. Stickers. Couple of props and landing gear and a metal wing joining rod, and one last little box which is all the control horns, spinner, tail wheel, push rods and a little screwdriver. Okay, let's put it together. 35 amps flat out on a 3S battery, and the all-up flying weight with a 3000 3S is about 1550 grams. There we go, the Volantex Trainstar Ascent 1400mm wingspan. It's all assembled, easy to put together, typical Volantex. It's just screw together and click in wings. The only thing I'm not too impressed with is the size of the control horns in the control surfaces. I wish they had used their bigger, wider based versions, because I'm sure they're going to come loose after a bit of use. But it strikes me as a big, solid, rugged workhorse sort of plane. I prefer the battery access through the top rather than the bottom, but we'll see how that goes in the field. So, looks encouraging, but we'll have to see how it flies, and that'll come up in the very next video. Thanks for watching.